Today magluluto tayo ng chicken breast stir fry with vegetables. Chicken breast. Lagyan natin na i-marinate natin guys ng ako magluto ng chicken. Sprinkling with, lagay natin sa chiller guys for 10 minutes. Guys, ito yung cabbage natin guys. Tiny. That's our cabbage. This is our carrots guys. Carrots. We have 3 tomato. We have 1 red bell pepper, 1 chilli spada, 1 spring onion. Magdagdag lang ako ng garlic powder guys at saka Spanish paprika. This is our red onion. So ito yung spring onion ko guys. Yan. So guys, first we are going to turn on the heat and then we are going to blanch our veggies in our cooking pot. So here, this frying pan, I'm going to cook our chicken breast in here. Isa itong chicken breast guys, hinati ko ng dalawa. So, hindi ko nilagyan muna ng oil. 5 minutes lang siguro guys in a low heat. Chayote guys or chokos. So, ilagay ko ito and carrots. Ilagay ko ito guys. Yan ang blanch. I-blanch ko ito guys for 10 minutes. Para and low heat. Look at our veggies. So, ito na yung guys, yung veggies natin. Ilagay natin sa tubig na may yellow. Wash siya guys, wash. Okay, that's it tayo. Then, this is 2 minutes. 2 minutes. So, our chicken guys is cooked. Luto natin yung chicken natin guys. So, ang gagawin natin igigisa natin. I think 1 tablespoon of oil. Ito lang guys yung butter natin guys ha. So guys, we are going to put in our garlic. 3 cloves lang yung garlic natin guys. With onion guys. Tomato, chili, bell pepper, tomato guys. So ngayon, maglagay tayo ng additional garlic powder. Let's go half tablespoon of garlic. Oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Spanish paprika. Touch na veggies natin guys ha. Ating chicken breast guys. Ito yung chicken breast natin guys. Half glass of water, hot water. Saniya, tikman natin later guys. Pag okay na siya or nagagan pa ba natin ang salt ha? Okay ba? Paprika of salt guys. Sprinkling lang guys. Sprinkle of salt. Dapat guys so. Hello guys, that's yum guys, promise. Look at it, is very colorful. In a few minutes I will add the very simple but easy to make. Yun, gawin nyo to guys, masarap ito at isa pa healthy because my vegetables is okay. Guys, half tablespoon of brown sugar. Sprinkle lang natin cabbage guys. I-blanch na lang ko na siya guys. Look at our fire guys. Yun na guys. Ilagay ko na lang yung spring onion. Yun na. I-mix ko na lang yan guys. At saka ready to eat na lang. Our veggies guys. I-ano ko na guys ha. Turn off. Then mag-tapings ako later guys. Okay? Okay. This is our finished product guys. Okay? This is butter chicken breast with veggies. So, thank you for watching to my channel guys. Have a good day and God bless. Finally then, blah blah blah. Soup. Oh my Jesus guys. This is yummy tomato. Careful on the chili, mate. Okay, thank you for